Hello, we're here at the train show. Kara, say hello.
Hello, how are you?
We're here at there's
Look at
Daddy
all the
looking at
work
the
that
train.
went into this.
10 years of work went into
And
it.
it's still not done. 30 guys.
We're geeking out. I want to go show them what's over there. Who am I showing? I don't know.
The world.
Like you see the pool, you go by, you see the gazebo, and
See
everything's
the little town that's over here.
How cool is
How
that?
much work went into that? Over here we have like another train table thing down there. I wish I could pause this thing, but all the locomotives down here that are really, really cool. See all the locomotives? I've loved trains since I was little, so this is like really cool. There's another side to it. You can get there. Sorry. There's another side to this. We have all that. The train coming through. Sorry. Very crowded in here, so I have to kind of tell people to move. Here we go. Sorry. Careful not to give an actual bridge. Oh, sorry, buddy. Go ahead. And, that mountain. Another like farmhouse over there. And this kind of leads back into the town. There's another locomotive. I like locomotives a lot. The car. There's a train coming. Cool. Just geeking out. Oh, and look at the oil plant right here. Thought that was cool. And then, yep. Wait, there's a Dad. Kara. Wave. Okay. Bye.